In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring task in Asana. If you find yourself recreating the same to-dos over and over, like weekly reports, monthly billing, or yearly audits, making a task recur automatically can save you time and keep your workflows consistent. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the specific task you want to repeat. Make sure you're inside the task pane so you can see its details. This is where you'll set up the recurrence. You'll find the due date control near the top of the task alongside the assignee. Click the due date field to open Asana's calendar and scheduling options. Inside the date picker, look for the option labeled repeat or set to repeat. Select that. This tells Asana that the task shouldn't happen just once, but on a schedule you define. Next, choose how often the task should repeat. Asana gives you straightforward choices like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Think about the real cadence of your work. Daily is great for quick check-ins or routine maintenance. Weekly works well for team stand-ups or report submissions. Monthly is perfect for invoicing or content planning. Yearly is ideal for audits, renewals, or annual reviews. If you have a preferred weekday or a particular day of the month, set that now so the pattern matches your real schedule. Now set the correct date. If you're using a single due date, pick the next date the task is actually due. If your plan includes start dates and the task spans multiple days, set the start and due dates to reflect the window you'll be working in. Getting this right ensures the recurrence lines up perfectly moving forward. When you're done, save your changes so Asana knows to handle the repetition automatically. In most cases, clicking Done in the Date Picker and closing the task will save it. From now on, every time you complete the task, Asana will generate the next instance using the schedule you selected. This keeps your task list current without manual recreation. A couple of practical tips as you finalize things. Write a clear task name and description so every repeated instance is instantly understandable. If you rely on attachments or checklists, keep them in the task so they carry forward. And after you finish setting it up, glance at your calendar or upcoming list to confirm the next occurrence appears where you expect. That's it. Your recurring task is ready. With this in place, you'll reduce busy work and stay consistently on track.